Hello DepFA users! In this video I would like to show you how to use your OAK-D-Lite as a web camera, so as a UVC device, as a USB video class device. First thing, we will connect the OAK-D-Lite into our PC using the USB-C cable. And now let's get into the code and run the script. First, we need to go into DepFA Python repository, which contains many useful examples, one of which is RGB UVC Py script, which allows to use OAK-D-Lite as a web camera. Let's go ahead and go into examples directory, and then using install requirements Py script, we install all the required packages and download all necessary files. Now, having all of the requirements installed, let's run RGB-UVC Py script, which will convert our OAK-D-Lite camera into a regular web camera you can use in any application you prefer. I will use photo booth now, and you will be able to see me smiling and waving. As you could see, I was able to use my OAK-D-Lite as a regular web camera, and I can now use it for any video conference or meeting I would prefer. Happy hacking!